Good morning, class. I'm Teacher Arnold, your English teacher for today. Before we jump into our lesson, let's have a short review. Do you still remember what is a cause? Yes? Okay, very good. A cause is the reason of the event in the story. What about an effect? What is an effect? Yes, very good. An effect is the result of the event in the story. Okay, class, are you familiar with fairy tales? And what fairy tales do you know? I will show you a picture. Then you are going to complete the sentence by filling up with the appropriate phrase. Like for example, Snow White ate the apple that has poison. So, blah 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 blah. Can you guess what is the reason? Okay, class. Who is in the picture? Very good. She is Snow White. What do you think happened to her after eating the apples with poison? Yes? Okay, exactly. Very good. She fell asleep after eating the apples. Snow White ate the apple that has a poison, so she fell asleep. What do you think is the reason why Snow White fell asleep? Yes? Okay, very good. The reason why Snow White fell asleep is because she ate the apple. Do you like what the witch did to Snow White? Why? Today we are going to learn about cause and effect. You must be able to write paragraphs showing cause and effect. Prior to that, let us first read aloud the text about Mara. Are you ready, class? Mara, a member of the Eta Indigenous People Group, is a transferee from Manara Elementary School. Her whole family relocated in the Barangay Poblacion 1 because her father got a good paying job offer. Jose B. Piuwi Senior Elementary School is the school near their new home. So she was enrolled there by her mother. During her first day in school, she felt nervous because she thinks she is different from classmates. Her teacher asked her to share about the Eta community in Manara. She told them how beautiful their community in the uplands and how they have preserved their culture. Everyone who heard her was amazed by the story. Despite of being different, she gained a lot of friends because of her good character and smiling face. Let us answer now the following questions about the story. Question number 1. Who is the character in the story? Yes? Okay, very good. The character in the story is Mara. Questions number 2. Where did the story happen? Very good. The story happened at Barangay Poblacion 1. Next question. In what community do Mara's family belong? Yes. Mara's family belong to Eta community in Manara. And why did Mara's family relocated in Barangay Poblacion 1? Very good. Because her father got a good paying job offer. Next question. Why her mother chose to enroll Mara at Jose B. Piuwi Senior Elementary School? Yes? Okay, very good. Her mother enrolled Mara at Jose B. Puy Senior Elementary School because, yes, very good. Okay, why did she feel nervous during her first day in school? Okay, you got it. Because she thought she was different from her classmate. Another question. Why were her classmates amazed after hearing her sharing? Yes, very good. Her classmates amazed after hearing her sharing because of the beauty or how beautiful their community is. And lastly, why did she gain a lot of friends? Yes, of course. She gained a lot of friends because of her good character and smiling face. We are going to analyze these sentences one by one. Sentence number 1. Her whole family relocated in Barangay Poblacion because her father got a good paying job. In this sentence, which is the cause? Yes, the cause is because her father got a good paying job. And what is the effect? The effect is her whole family relocated in Barangay Poblacion. What signal word was used to show cause and effect relationship? The signal word used is because. Okay, the word because is the signal word. Let's proceed to sentence number 2. Jose B. Puy Senior Elementary School is the school near their new home. So, she was enrolled there by her mother. Okay, in the sentence, which is the cause? Yes, the cause is Jose B. Puy Senior Elementary School is the school near to their new home. So, what's the effect? The effect is, so, she was enrolled there by her mother. Okay. What signal word was used to show cause and effect relationship? The signal word used is the word so. Okay, let's jump in to sentence number 3. During her first day in school, she felt nervous because she thinks she is different from classmates. Okay. In this sentence, what is the cause? Yes, the cause is because she thinks she is different from classmates. And the effect is, during her first day in school, she felt nervous. And the signal words used in this sentence to show cause and effect relationship is the word because. Okay. Now, in sentence number 4, she told them how beautiful their community in the uplands and how they preserve their culture. Everyone heard her amazed by her story. So, what is the cause in the sentence? The cause in the sentence is she told them how beautiful their community in the uplands and how they preserve their culture. And the effect is everyone who heard her was amazed by her story. And the signal words used in the sentence to show cause and effect relationship is what? Yes, very good. Okay. That's it. You're correct. Okay. And lastly, number 5, she gained a lot of friends because of her good character and smiling face. The cause in the sentence is because of her good character and smiling face, and the effect is she gained a lot of friends. And the signal words used in the sentence is the word because. Now you are going to read the paragraph, then identify the cause and its effect. Write them in the graphic organizer. Global warming has been causing a set of changes to the Earth's climate or long-term weather patterns that varies from place to place. Glaciers are melting in other countries. Sea levels are rising. Cloud forests are dying. And wildlife is scrambling to keep pace. I have become clear that humans have contributed to the past century's warming by releasing heat-trapping gases as we power our modern lives. Levels of gaseous or greenhouse gases are higher now than at any time in the last 800,000 years. Write your answer on your paper, then I will ask you to write your answer on the board. And for your group activity, okay, let's have first give the standards in group activity. Then after that, you are going to rearrange the sentences to form a paragraph showing cause and effect relationship. Write your answer on a cartolina provided for you. Okay, let's go.